The mission of Wild Alabama is to inspire people to enjoy, value, and protect the wild places of Alabama. We believe that education is the key to conservation and preservation. A young child stands in a flowing stream and watches tiny fish dart around her legs, or catches her first tadpole in a net, or becomes mesmerized by the patterns of light and color rippling through the water. This is when she needs a guide to help her to see how this magical moment is connected to the rest of her world. When that child grows up and is a leader in business, government, or education, she will need to understand how her connections to the wild places help her to not only make wise decisions about the care of our natural world, but also provide her with a place of solace and recreation. This beautiful property on the northern border of the Bankhead National Forest in the Warrior Mountains has been donated to Wild Alabama to construct a center for education and training. This center will allow visitors to the National Forest to learn about the Sipsey Fork, which flows through it and is the only wild and scenic river in Alabama. We will give visitors the tools to learn about and protect the natural and cultural history, geology, waters, and ecosystems of the National Forest and Sipsey Wilderness. T.S. Eliot wrote, "We shall not cease from exploration, and the end of all our exploring shall be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time." Learn more about the exciting developments happening at Wild Alabama by contacting Maggie Johnston at maggie@wildowl.org and go to our website at www.wildowl.org.